So we're going to go to our left. 1, 2, 3, and come back the other way. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Try it again. 5, 6, red up. All right. 5, 6, 7. Let's go.
What I see in front of me is like a big blur. So to me, it's like being in a thick London fog all the time. It's not completely dark, but I'm not able to decipher what the image may be in front of me because it's just like a big glob.
I don't see anything right now. It's just like looking at the cloud right now. So I don't really see anything.
Take very small steps and take 8 steps forward. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go back. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, left, 2, 3, and tap. Right, 2, 3, tap. Oh, shucks.
My name is Shirley Smith. I go by Shirladelphia. My role in this class is I am a ballroom dance instructor. In this particular class that I'm teaching here at the Community Education Center is for the blind and visually impaired. We're all holding hands because they cannot see what I'm doing. And they can feel that we are all going in the same direction.
5, 6, 7, left. Left, right, forward. Right, left, back. Okay, now listen, put the right foot back.
Most of us get it right, and then there may be an occasional time, if I say the left, someone may move right, and it just like, oh, that's right, oh, that's my other left, so I tease them all the time. Oh, no, not that one, it's your other left,
She's crazy. Not crazy, mentally crazy, but she's very excitable, fun person. She's very bubbly, good to be around, and she's very fun to work with. My name is Eugenio De Oliver. I've been at the studio dancing with Cheryl Philadelphia for approximately, she has 10 lessons, so this is approximately my 5th lesson dancing with her.
Feet together, 5, 6, 7, go. Rock, step. That's it. Put your feet back home. Same thing. We're going to do it going backwards with the right foot. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Rock, pick up the left, put it back down. Come back home.
Well, my name is Denise Brown, and I feel that I have been a dancer all of my life. But I just started over the last 9 weeks with Shirladelphia. All of the individuals in the class, including myself, are blind or visually impaired. I'm a blind individual. I've been blind for most of my life.
You in good hands. You in good hands. You in good hands.
Okay, stay here. Left
How you been?
I'm good. How you doing?
It saddens me that in the Philadelphia area, I cannot establish a home for the blind and visually impaired to have a space where we can dance. We have makeshift places where they will accommodate me for another 10 weeks, but not a possibility of it being a home. So we're going to take a break for a month. Some of them call me like, well, what can we do? Where are we going? It's sad when I don't have an answer for them.
Rock. There you go. Okay? Now, because you can see, just don't let them make it crash, okay? But you need to be in harmony with them. You don't need to rock the same direction. Are you visually impaired or not? Okay, so you can see some, right? Okay?
Am I going the right way?
Walk.
I'm going the right way.
Take a walk. Just walk. Walk. Okay, come forward. Jamila. Okay.
Yeah, that's right. I'm watching my feet.
Take a walk. Walk to my his shoulder. Okay? Rock, rock, rock. Okay, here I come. Walk with my voice. Come on with me. Come on with me. And Denise will be walking backwards, okay? So I turn towards me. Turn towards my voice, Keep coming towards my voice. Keep coming.
Is that me?
Keep coming. Keep coming.
Don't worry about it.
Keep coming.
The sound of dance, it's enlightening. It feels good.
I've been doing it. What are you talking about? You spinning me around, so which way you go?
Thank you, sweetheart. I'm trying.
I need to catch my breath.
Okay, go right ahead. I'm trying.
You are doing good.
I watch you. You good. You good. You got rhythm, lady.
You are doing so good.
If this class doesn't end up having a home, I think that would be a loss to the Philadelphia arts type community. Because I think Shirley has proven what the benefit of this is.
I think it filled a void for them, and if this was not able to continue, wow, the obstacles that they have to go through, or even what they go through to get to the class. Some of them leave work, get dropped off one place, got to arrange another ride to get to here, then they got to arrange another ride to get back home. They are doing what they have to do to get here. Without it, they'll probably just go home and do nothing. If you can see and dealing with what you deal with every day, and they can't see and dealing with the same problems plus that moment of relief of not thinking about the problems that they are having and they're experiencing for the day, I want to give it back to them.
I so look forward to these dances. It's just incredible what it does for my self-esteem. So, yeah. So even though next week is the last dance here, Cheryl's working on other places for us because I want to continue this. I wouldn't know what to do without it.
If somebody comes over to me and says, "Would you like to waltz?" Well, I know that basic step. I know what to do, so I can go to it. If somebody says to me, "You want to merengue?" I know that basic step. I know she taught us. I can't forget it. It's like stuck in my mind when she's counting off at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then to the other side 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got it.